Welcome to all to the e-content business analyst. That is what information system development. Overview of the presentation is what is the role and responsibility of the business analyst and who can be get as a career business analyst and what is the scope of the business analyst, how much salary can we get and what are all the terminology can be used in the business analyst when we need the support of the decision making by using the business analyst and evaluation of BI and 5 tasks of data mining in business. The business analysis, which has essential growth and rapid development of industries, which is used to understanding the business requirement and also designing the solutions for the business issues. It is used to speed up the decision making procedure from the data collected in the past organizations. And what is the roles and responsibility of the business analyst? The business analytics works with the business, which is used to recognize the opportunities so that the business operation and process gets improved. He also involved in the designing and also modification of the business systems, and he can also solve the business problems and also taking the decisions using the technical solutions. And the business analytics he has playing a primary role is to gather the document and analyze the various requirements. And also which is used to report, generating the report, that is documentation and user manuals. And also the documenting the functional and technical designs of the business analytics. In the business analytics has to be sure that making sure that the system is implemented correctly and we have to interact with the system architects and developers. He has worked together with the stakeholders and subject matter expert to understand their problems and needs. And be a career in business analyst, what are all the positions are available? The business analyst manager, he is capable to handling the analyst. The project manager, he's like to change the directions and skills completely. When it is a position of relationship manager, he's capable to maintaining the relationship between the stakeholders and all through their roles. The business analysis competency manager, he is capable to hold the theoretical and development aspects of a business analysis instead of a practical experience. Business architect, he can be understanding of the enterprise and the ability for the organization from the general perspective. And subject matter report, he is responsible for that subject of that analysis. Now it comes to know the scope of the business analysis in India, not only the India, all over the world, there is a growing regularly. Industry rewards business analysis with attractive salary packages, which is so that it is what most desirable job, that is a remarkable combination of analytical and business abilities. It comes to that salary, that is what if it is in senior business analyst, he can be get the 8 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. When it is in fresher, he can be able to get the 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. So the analysis roles provide a profitable salary. That is one of the reason most desirable jobs for many professionals. This is a salary for a business analyst. The Memphis Corporation and IGate Global Solutions, they are ready to giving the nearly 1,200K per annum. And TCS, CSE, and Wipro, and also IBM, HCL, and Royal, and so those companies are providing nearer 600 to 800 The Accenture Asset Technology, they are near to the 800K per annum. What are the skills required to become a business analyst? It is one of the most important factors. What excellent communication skill, and also he has capable to maintain the leadership between the co-workers, and motivation is needed there. We can be able to work under the pressure on multiple projects within a specified deadlines, and he need to be passionate to create technical solutions and also analytical skills. There is a there should be the holding of positive attitude toward the changes, and he must have the good knowledge of IT environment. Now comes to know what are all the terminology can be used in the business analytics. One is what business analytics, BI, big data, data mining, which is what business analytics, which contain the tools. The tools are used to analyze the data for the future business decisions by using of the past data. And BI, which contains the tools and techniques, that is business intelligence, which contains the tools and techniques, which gives the valuable information. Big data, that is the meaning of the big data, that is size of the big data is very large. Data mining, which have the tools for discovering the patterns in the large data set. The business needs support for decision making. Who needs it? Uncertain economics. Economics may be ups and downs. There we need to take decisions, both the sides, when it comes ups and when it comes downs. And changing of the environment, frequent changing of the environment. There we also need to take decisions. And we also are capable to compete in global level. So when it comes to that global competition, there we need to take a special decisions and strong decisions, and we have to also uh, satisfying the demanding from the customer side. There also we have to take a decisions. Now comes to the characteristic of the data for good decision making. When we are taking a good decision, there the terms characteristics we have to satisfy. One of the thing is accuracy, which is what it may be the cost or effort or timeliness. And validity, the validity that is compliance of the with the requirement. It may be the constant over time or others or application based definitions. Reliability, timeliness, completeness, relevance. These are all a term can be used to measure the good decisions, can be considered by using other characteristics. We are gathering the information and use it for the decision making. There is a shortfall. That is what data warehouses have it. The analyst can spend the 2 days a week for gathering and formatting the data instead of performing analysis. Before analysis, we had to do formatting, gathering the data. That is what data warehousing did. And business intelligence, that it find the bridge of the information gap. That is between the data gap. It is a process of data mining is a process of discovering patterns from the large data set that involves the methods. That is what intersection of AI, machine learning, ML, statistics, and database systems. It produces the new information. When it is examining large databases, that produces the information. The information based on the using that statistical or mathematical methods or AI based to analyze the data. From that, we can be find the hidden features of the data that were not yet known. The business intelligence used to process, that is what methods used by the organization to turn the data into knowledge. That is what changing of the data into knowledge. And here, that is what information that allows a business to make a decisions. where we can be apply that BI. There is a what statistics we need in the customer basis and business and sales and behavior analysis. It can be defined the BI by collecting and redefining information from the many sources. After analyzing the information to be in the useful ways, it may be a dashboards or visualizations. From that, it can be designed better solutions, which will be helpful to retain the competitive advantages. This is one of the example for sample of marketing dashboards. Here it is analysis happen through the status that is Twitter, Facebook, Google Slides, LinkedIn, and email sent. How many people are considered as a follower in each and every one? That same data can be represented by the bar chart. These are all dashboards. Another one example for the dashboard, which is we all have at our phone. That is what log activity, how many steps we can take in, how many miles we traveled, how many calories we burned. So these are all the um, analysis can be done by that our walking. Which device can be used? Evaluation of BI. From this evaluation, first we have to know what happened. How do we find the what happened from the raw data? The raw data have to be cleaned. Then from that we can be obtain the standard reports. And also we can find the ad hoc reports and what happened. Next we have to analyze the generic predictive analytics. From this analysis, we can find why did it happen. And predictive modeling can be find by the what will happen in future. Then we need to know some decisions. Taking decisions by using of the optimization techniques. So the prediction and action to be done by the optimization, which gives the best solution for that. That is what evaluation of BI. Data warehouse, here the collection of data from the multiple sources. It may be internal or external. That is what historical raw data from the operations. The data should be cleaned, then formatting. Then only after that only the data has to be used for analysis. The data should be stored in independently. That doesn't mean what we have to categorize the data into data marts. How would it be? It may be a sales data, HR data, or marketing and ERP data. There is a 5 tasks for the data mining in business. We have a data, the data has to use it for classification. The classification done by the categorizing the data into actionable groups. Another one is what we have to estimate the response rate and probability of responses. And prediction, predicting the customer behavior. And affinity grouping, what items or services are customer likely to purchase together. Description, finding the interesting patterns. We have some of the techniques to do the data mining by the market basket analysis, cluster analysis, decision tree and role induction, natural networks. There is a demand of business analytics is increased in our information economy. That is in a competitive economic background. The business organizations are struggling to enhance their business process and reduce the cost. Business analytics are at the center of most of these initiatives. So there is a huge demand for business analytics in India, and therefore the business analytics jobs are ranging from the business architect, business system analyst, enterprise analyst to product owner and product manager and requirement engineers. So these are all the posts available for the business analytics jobs in India with scope and career path and salary. I think this much of information can be given by the information regarding that business analytics. Thank you to all.